Hello children, good morning to all of you. In today's class, we are going to do the map activity. I hope you all are ready with your India political map. So we know there are different types of soil is presented in different parts of the world. And here we are going to see what are the types of soil that is presented in our country. So what are the different types of soil in our country? They are alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. So this is what we are going to see here, okay? And where is that particular type of soil is presented in the particular state. So that's what we are going to do in this map, okay? So get ready with your India political map with a sharpened pencil, scale and eraser. So this is how our map is going to be once we complete mountain soil, alluvial soil, red soil, desert soil, sandy soil, okay? So this is how, and laterite soil. This is how our map is going to be. So get ready with the necessary colors, okay children? Yes. So before starting the map, you should remind of the elements of map. So what are the elements of map? Heading or title, direction, key or legend, scale and colors and symbols. Okay. So first you have to start with the heading or title for the map. Take your pencil, sharpen it. The first letter, it has to be in capital letter. Start writing the types of soil in India. The types of soil in India. For India, I has to be in capital letter. Write this and put a double underline, okay? Underline it, okay children? And after that, draw compass rose. You have to draw a plus symbol and mark the direction. It is called as compass rose. Finish that, okay? And next, first soil. It is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is presented in the state Uttar Pradesh. It is also called as, what is it called as children? The food bowl of India, as it produces or it satisfies the large amount of population by providing food. So we call this state as food bowl of India. The soil is very fertile. So take your pencil, your color pencil, sharpen it, draw the outline for the state and shade it inside. Shade evenly, okay? There should be no marks here and there. Shade very evenly. If you're going to shade it in slanting way, shade it in the slanting way. In a vertical way means shade it vertically. Don't shade slantingly, horizontally, vertically. Don't do that. So alluvial soil is very fertile and it is rich in humus, and that's why they are able to produce large amount of crops. And it is presented in the state Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Bihar also. So here let us shade one state, it's enough. So shade Uttar Pradesh. And next we have black soil. Can you see in the picture here? It's the state Maharashtra. It is good for the cultivation of cotton, millets and sugar. They are not as fertile as alluvial soil, but it is fertile. We call it as black soil as it appears to be little grey in color. So this type of soil is presented in northern and western parts of the Deccan Plateau. We know where is Deccan Plateau presented, no? We learned it in the physical features of India. Do you remember children? Northern plains, Deccan Plateau, northern mountains. Can you recollect it? Try recollecting, okay? Or else pause the video. See what we have learned in the previous classes or previous lesson. Then continue doing, okay? So this is black soil. So you have to shade the state Maharashtra. And next we have red soil. Red soil is very rich in iron. So this soil appears to be a kind of red color. So it is called as red soil and it is not very fertile. Okay. The soil is not very fertile and it is presented in the southern and eastern parts of Deccan Plateau. So here I have shaded Orissa. Okay, and this soil is good for the cultivation of groundnuts, millets and pulses. So shade the state Orissa. And next we have mountain soil. Mountain soil is mostly presented in mountain and hilly areas. Here it's Himachal Pradesh. I have shaded the state Himachal Pradesh. So mountain soil is presented from Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. So these region comprises of mountain soil. And it's good for the cultivation of tea, apple, plums and etc. Okay. So shade the state Himachal Pradesh using brown color. So whatever color I have used, you can use the same color. Okay. Shade nicely, children. And next we have desert soil. Desert soil is also called as sandy soil. And you know where is desert soil presented? Which state is the desert state? Where is desert presented in India? The state Rajasthan. So shade the state Rajasthan using yellow color. Shade it properly. Shade very neatly. So this is very dry and sandy soil. And it is not good for cultivation of crops as that sandy soil cannot hold much water. Okay, it can produce crops where the crops that requires less amount of water can grow, right? For example, cactus, date palm. So these are the crops that is grown in desert soil. Shade it neatly, children. And next we have laterite soil. So laterite soil is found in the states Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and here it is good for the cultivation of tea, coffee, cashew nuts. Okay, and this soil is not much fertile. So laterite soil, I have shaded the state Kerala using orange color. You can also shade in the same way. Shade very neatly. It should not come outside. I mean the border of India. It should not come inside Arabian Sea, or it should not touch the area where the water body is there. Okay, it has to be there only inside the state, inside the border. Make sure you're drawing and coloring it very neatly. Okay, so after completing it, your map, it has to be neat and tidy, and it should be appear like this with heading and compass rose. Make sure your map should be there with heading and compass rose. And after completing, after shading all the types of soil, we have to draw the key. Okay, how will you draw the key and where will you draw the key? The space where it's provided for near Sri Lanka, the space is there, no, to the right side of India. That is the eastern side of India where you will write Bay of Bengal, right? They have to write key and put a box, shade all the colors one by one. In each box should be colored with this color what you have colored in the map. So for example, have to color it yellow color in a box, and straight to that yellow color you should write desert soil. And in the other box you have to shade it red color, straight to that you should write red soil. And you have to shade it green color, and straight to that you should write alluvial soil. Same way have to shade it for all the 6 boxes, and parallel to that, straight to that, okay, you have to write what soil is that. So this is how a key should appear. Okay children, and don't forget to write Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Okay, it's also very important. Finish off children, and do it very neatly and file it in your portfolio. Let us stick it in our map note. Okay, thank you children. Let's meet in next video.